This is a review for GitHub Copilot. So it's a very powerful AI tool. It can really help you a lot to. It can really help you. This can assist you in writing better code by suggesting possible solutions based on your description of the code. So all you need to do is just to write a comment that describes the logic you want to use, and GitHub Copilot will generate a code suggesting for your solution. So it's very simple, but it's very useful tool. And as a programmer, I can find this very useful. I'm not a professional. I'm just a programmer that I sometimes a program, but I'm by no means I'm professional. But I can tell you right away, this is a very powerful tool. This can suggest your code and just help you entirely with functions real time from your editor. As you can see here, examples. Determine whether the sentiment of the text is positive. Use a web server. Here as well. Here. I think that's very can save you a lot of time, and I really like this. Copilot really trained on billions of lines of code. GitHub Copilot turns natural language prompts into coding suggestions across dozens of languages. This is what we have. They have here. The trial. You can also trial or payments for coding for individuals or Copilot for business. $10 per month, $90 per user. That's for a business and that's for individuals, right? So this Copilot, GitHub Copilot, is focusing on solving bigger problems, spending less time creating repetitive patterns and more time on what matters. And I really love that. This can really save me time, So I really like this, and you can also use for VS Code. That's where I use a lot. Majority of people use a lot VS Code, and also for others as well. And that's my review, my personal opinion. Based on my own experience, I think it's worth it to try. Use this. Not sponsored. I'm not sponsored to create this review. This is just my personal opinion, and I think it's worth it to try. And you can also see here, does GitHub Copilot write perfect code? In a recent evaluation, we found that users accepted an average of 26% of all completions showed by GitHub Copilot. We also found that an average more than 25 of developers' code files were generated by GitHub Copilot, and in certain languages like Python, and goes up to 40%. Okay, I like this. What is GitHub Copilot? Very interesting, quick description. It's an AI peer programmer that helps you write code faster with less work. It draws context from comments and code to suggest individual lines and whole functions instantly. GitHub Copilot is powered by OpenAI Codex and generative pre-trained language model created by OpenAI. It is available as an extension for Visual Studio Code, Visual Studio. So if you want to get the most out of this, GitHub Copilot works best when you dive your code into small functions, use meaningful names for functional parameters, and write good doc strings and comments as you go. I really like this a lot. Doc strings and comments as you go. So, and write good strings as you go. It all seems to be best when it's helping you navigate unfamiliar libraries and or frameworks. So make sure you try this and let me know your thoughts in the comment section. I really hope you found this short review helpful. Thank you so much for watching. And as I said, I really like to hear your thoughts in the comment section. Let me know, try this for a couple of weeks and let me know. Please come back in the comment section and write a review so you can let others as well, your experience. What are the downsides or positive and negatives from your own experience? I really like to read your feedback, guys, because I had a good experience, but I would really like to read your feedback. So thank you guys so much for watching and take care.